In just a few weeks, not only are the dahlias 2 and 3 times their size, but they're also blooming. Let's go take a look at a few of their blooms. I'll also help answer major questions that people have about dahlias. We got some pink ones over here. A big question a lot of people ask is, how should you care for your dahlia? Oh, check these out back here. Look at this like pink, reddish, yellow. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at this one. I am so excited for all these, and it's just endless over here. It keeps going and going and going. If you looked at my previous video, I talked more about dahlias, but that was when they were younger. Obviously, these are a little bit bigger now. Let's just take another look. I am so excited about these. I want to make a shout out to all my dahlia lovers. They're here, and they're in the thousands. After planting, dahlias can grow anywhere between 90 to 120 days. The longer days are obviously for the larger flowers and plants. If you want your dahlias sooner, consider taking the tubers and planting them indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost. Dahlias will bloom in the first season they are planted and produce dozens and dozens of flowers for you. Dahlias are beautiful by themselves or together with other plants in a vase, or what they're most popular for is in a special event bouquet. Dahlias do best in a full morning sun and as much sun possibly after that. Dahlias grow great in large containers and also reduces the chances of them being eaten by slugs. How should you water your dahlia? Drip irrigation is ideal for dahlias, but if you don't have that, watering it once to twice a week deeply really helps your dahlia. Or if you have a really hot summer, keep an eye out for it wilting. If it wilts, then give it some more water. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a dahlia day.